Welcome back to Empowering Transformation, Mastering the Art of Energy Healing and Energy Psychology. In this third lesson, we delve deep into the scientific validation of energy psychology practices. This is where we see the fascinating convergence of ancient healing methods and modern scientific research. Let's start by addressing the initial skepticism in the scientific community towards energy psychology. Initially, these practices were viewed as unorthodox, lacking empirical evidence. However, this skepticism set the stage for rigorous scientific inquiry, leading to a wealth of research that we will explore today. One key study that stands out is a research project conducted on the emotional freedom technique, EFT. In this study, participants undergoing EFT treatment showed a significant reduction in cortisol levels, a stress hormone, compared to those who didn't receive EFT. This biochemical change provides a concrete measure of the effectiveness of EFT in reducing stress. Another groundbreaking research focused on thought field therapy, TFT. Participants suffering from PTSD underwent TFT sessions, and the results were remarkable. There was a substantial decrease in the symptoms of PTSD, evidenced by both self-reported measures and clinical assessments. This study not only validated TFT's efficacy, but also highlighted its potential as a tool for trauma therapy. We'll also discuss the neurobiological mechanisms behind these techniques. How do tapping and energy manipulation impact the brain? Research using functional MRI, fMRI, has shown changes in brain activity associated with emotional processing during energy psychology sessions. This neuroscientific evidence provides a compelling argument for the physiological basis of these practices. But it's not just about the brain. We'll look at how the body's energy systems, like meridians and chakras, play a role in emotional regulation. Modern biophysics research has started to explore these concepts, suggesting that the body's energy field might be more tangible and influential than previously thought. This lesson is not just theoretical. It's a practical guide to understanding the scientific underpinnings of energy psychology.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.